Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Idika Najmin from Software 22 and I'm here to demonstrate our project CareerPilot, which is your personal career assistant. So instead of creating an account, I'm just logging in with an existing account I've registered in already. Then hit sign in. And this will take me to the dashboard section where these parts are the statistics and this is the AI update and this is a progress bar. I will go to the profile section and upload my CV. So what we did here is use ChromaDB as our vector database to store resume in a searchable format. Instead of storing text normally, we convert the resume into embeddings, which captures the meaning and allows us to find the most relevant parts of our resume. And based on this, we can ask our AI assistant questions like, what do I have to do or what role do I fit in? So I'll just show an example. Let's say build me a 3 months roadmap. So this is the answer it gave me. It gives my CV what are my strengths and what are my gaps and things. What do I have to study and practice things like this. So based on this, I'll move to job hunter section. I've already searched ML internships, for example. So this part shows my fitness against their requirements. So I'll choose this one. I want to apply for this job. So let's say I applied for this, and then let's say I'm interviewing for a data engineer role in company ABC, and I'll add it here. And also, it's the same way I can add the offer section or rejected sections here. Now I'll move to the goal section. So I'll just cut this off. Here, let's say I want to learn something by next week. Let's say just for example, finish the essay, enter the date, and add the goal. Then as today's task lesson, I have reviewed this and I want to add finish this latest. And I'll just add this here. And also in the calendar section, I can see the job I have added has already been added in the calendar section. I'll just add something else. Say for example, mock interview. Add the event here. That was all from the tracker section. I'll move to the dashboard here. I can see my progress, my AI nudge, and my statistics has been updated. Now I'll sign out from user role and I will create account as an admin. I'll give my full name. Give my Then my password, for example. Then select admin role. And the secret key for admin is AD123. I'll create account. It will take me to my admin dashboard section. This thing, let's say how many users are there, how many admins, and how many job application has been done, and things like this. This is the user section showing all the users in this platform with their roles. And these are the CV that has been uploaded. And when I hit the show details section, it gives me the summary of the CV this person has been uploaded, like all the title and things like this. This part is the another CV summary. And this part tells me which user has applied for which company, or we say they're in which section, apply section or interview section, things like this. So this is our entire CareerPilot platform. We try to make this as minimal as possible. And one thing is that we have used Gemini 2.5 Flash API for AI Assistant. And we genuinely believe that this platform is not just a job search tool, rather, it brings together resume intelligence, job matching, and goal tracking sections, including AI-driven guidance into one unified system. We believe tools like this will represent the future of career development, where AI doesn't replace effort but guides in the right direction. Thank you.